I'm David Peterson, co-founder of Enkindler Creations LLC. We've taken our passion for 3D printer design and assembly and engineered the Switchblade Mk1 with EUD and first responders in mind. As a portable, customizable X-ray slider system, it is designed to unify and simplify field radiography.
Conventionally, X-ray panels are manually moved around a target. However, this involves multiple personnel, is prone to alignment errors, takes extensive amounts of time, and requires excessive downfield operator involvement. Other existing semi-automated solutions are proprietary, heavy, and scan areas only slightly larger than a single panel. The Switchblade is designed to be light and rapidly deployable, yet rugged enough to function in any field environment. Scan areas are customizable to meet mission needs. Mosaic generation is computer-controlled through an open communication standard, allowing a single operator to focus on the information they're receiving. The Switchblade Mk1 is the first-generation X-ray multi-tool uniting all major brands, connections, and standards currently deployed. The easily configurable device can be customized in the field to meet mission needs. It supports open communication standards, multiple standard cable connectors, and is ready for optional XTK integration or control. The intuitive user interface displays live history of scan positions, allows easy adjustment of panel position, and facilitates customization of mosaic patterns.
Enkindler Creations is an American company devoted to meeting the needs of our community of heroes. We pride ourselves on our dedication to the development of the best tools to protect our land, loved ones, and way of life.